Hi guys, so this dress right here, beautiful dress. I got this dress from Fashion Nova because I'm like, you know what, I wanna support other vendors. So as you can see, I don't have on heels, but I would say if you guys want to do the fix on this dress, all you're gonna need is a pair of scissors and put on the heels so it can lift you up to the height, so you wind up cutting it, so you don't wind up cutting it too short. But guys, this fabric does not fray. Let me put on a pair of heels. I just need to get a length. I need to just get a little higher. Not meaning that these would be the shoes that I would particularly wear with this, but you find the shoes that you will wear with it, and you lift yourself up so you can see, so you can get the height. And then basically, guys, y'all just take a pair of scissors, and this fabric does not fray. You ain't even got to go and pay somebody to cut it, to hem it. So you see this? Well, actually, with this on, it's not that bad, but these are 6-inch heels. I'm not going to be wearing 6-inch heels. So, but as you can still see, this will still be dangerous walking around because you can trip on the dress. So this fabric does not fray. So normally I would take the dress off, but hey, we here, we family. I'm going to take this dress. Get over here, flower. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This dress does not even have a hem on it because it is a spandex fabric that does not fray. So I'm going to take this dress. You see I'm laying it down, guys. Come on now. Stop moving. I should have pinned it. I'm going to cut it. These prices way too high. You better cut it. These prices way too high. These prices way too high. These prices way too high. You better cut it. So, y'all could see, I took off some of the dress at the bottom. And see, the fabric doesn't fray. And even with the original hem, that's what I'm trying to show y'all. So you see that? It's not a hem on this. Because this is spandex fabric, meaning you can cut with a raw edge and it does not fray. So with the ends you have, if you want to make you a headband to match or whatever, or turn it to a wig band, however, of course I won't wear that with that. But ladies, y'all don't have to take this dress to nobody to do alteration. Just put on your heels and determine how you want the dress to fall, and then you go from there. Because I mean, it's cute, but you don't want your dress where you walking around and it's literally dragging the dirty concrete. So you'll be in this dress and the dress will be ruined. You know how some people walk on their pants and they had the denim and they walk on it. Men normally do it. Women, we might not. But they'll have the dirt and grit and binding in the bottom of their jeans where it's just so dirty and filthy and oil and stuff is out there. So I personally would not do that. So babe, ladies, just get them scissors and cut it. You don't even got to go pay nobody to do alteration because this fabric does not fray. So I hope that helped you. Fix your dress yourself. Toodles.